Our journey begins in the mid-20th century with the birth of AI. In the summer of 1956, a group of brilliant minds gathered at Dartmouth College to embark on a project aimed at making machines simulate human intelligence. This marked the beginning of AI as a field of study. Fast forward to 1966, a significant milestone was reached with the development of ELISA, a computer program that could mimic human conversation. This was the first glimpse of what we now know as chatbots. In the 80s and 90s, AI took a leap forward with the advent of machine learning. Algorithms were designed to learn from data, improving their performance as they gained more experience. The turn of the millennium saw the rise of big data and deep learning, a subset of machine learning inspired by the structure of the human brain. This breakthrough led to advancements in speech recognition, image processing, and natural language understanding. In 2011, a watershed moment arrived when IBM's Watson won the game show Jeopardy, demonstrating the potential of AI to understand and respond to complex human language. Today, AI is more integrated into our lives than ever before. From personal assistants like Siri and Alexa to autonomous vehicles, AI is reshaping our world in ways we could have only imagined a few decades ago. But what does this mean for the future? Will AI continue to enhance our lives, or could it pose a threat to humanity? As with any powerful technology, AI is a double-edged sword. It has the potential to revolutionize industries, solve complex problems, and improve the quality of life. But it also raises ethical and societal concerns that we must address. In summary, the rise of AI has been a journey of continuous innovation, driven by the quest to simulate human intelligence. From its inception at Dartmouth College in the 50s, through to the development of chatbots, machine learning, and deep learning, AI has evolved to become an integral part of our lives. As we look to the future, the potential of AI is vast, but it also presents significant challenges that society must grapple with. This journey of AI is not just about technology. It's a story of human innovation, ambition, and the eternal quest to understand ourselves. It's a story that continues to unfold, shaping our world in ways we can't yet fully comprehend.